Students, today we have to see the practice set 1.5. In that examples on the equations also given, but there will be the word problem. First we read and understood the word problems, then we have to solve. First, all of you students open the book and see first example. Two numbers differ by 3. The sum of the twice the number, smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. Here two conditions they use. Here one is the smaller number and one is greater number. Therefore, in solution first we have to write let the greater number is equal to x and the smaller number is equal to 1. Then from first condition we have to say, from first condition we have to write down here the two numbers differ by 3, means x minus y is equal to 3. This is the first equation. Then in second equation, from second condition we have to write the second equation. In that they says the sum of the twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number. Sum of twice the smaller number means 2y and thrice the greater number means 3x, means we get the equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. This is the equation number 2. In one problem, making the first or second equation is important, and from this equation we have to solve very simply by using the simultaneous method or Cramer's rule. In that equation we have to make the coefficient of first equation same, means we have to multiply to the equation 1 by 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2 means we get the equation 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. This is the equation number 3. Then from equation 2 add equation 2 and 3. If we add both of these equations, 3x plus 2y is equal to 19 plus 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. Then we get here 5x is equal to 19 plus 6 is equal to 25. Therefore, x is equal to 25 upon 5. Then we get the value of x. X is equal to 5. 5 is 25. Therefore, we get the value of x is equal to 5. Means we get the value of the greater number. Then put the x is equal to 5 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 5 in equation first. Then we get the value of y. X minus y is equal to 3. Therefore, 5 minus y is equal to 3. Therefore, we get minus y is equal to minus 5 plus 3. Then we can write down minus y is equal to minus 2. Minus sign get cancelled. Then we get y is equal to 3. Means we get the solution of this word problem. Write in curly bracket x, y. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. In word problem there will be important of the writing the answer in one sentence, that is the smaller number will be 5, greater number is, the required numbers are 5 and 2, or we have to write down the greater number is equal to the greater number is equal to 5 and the smaller number is equal to 2. In this type we have to solve the word problem. Practice set 1.5. If stop. In second example they gives in the activity base. In 10th standard there will be activity base examples there. In that they gives one rectangle, and in that write down I am a rectangle. The four sides of the rectangles are given. Then they says find the value of x and y, and then find my area and perimeter. In that examples, first we know the property of rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangles are equal in length. Therefore we write down first property, opposite sides of rectangles are equal in length. Therefore we can write here 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 4x minus 1. Then from this equation we have to find out the value of x. 2x plus y minus 4x plus y is equal to minus 8. This 4x minus y take here, therefore sign will be changes, and this plus 8 goes into the opposite side of the equal sign, therefore it is the negative sign. Then 2x minus 4x we get minus 2x, y plus y we get y is equal to minus 8. This is the equation number 1. Sorry, here we write down the 2y, and from this we can calculate the 2 common. Minus x plus y is equal to minus 4. It is the equation number 1. Then they use second opposite sides, we get x plus 4 is equal to 2y. Then we get x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. X minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Here it is the equation number 2. Then by adding both of these two equations, we get add equation 1 and 2. Then we get equation first will be minus x plus y is equal to minus 4 plus x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. In that we get x get cancelled, then remaining will be minus y is equal to minus 8. Therefore y is equal to 8. Here we get the value of y is equal to 8. From this value we have to calculate the x value by putting in equation number 2 or 1. Put this value in equation number 2. Put y is equal to 8 in equation 2. Then we get x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Therefore x minus 2 into bracket 8 is equal to minus 4. X minus 8 to the 16 is equal to minus 4. Therefore x is equal to minus 4 plus 16. Then we get x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12. This is the value of x and y. From this we calculate the length of the rectangle. From the value of x and y we calculate the length of rectangle. Any opposite side, one side we take. Here we take 4x minus y is equal to 4 means 4 multiplied 12 minus y means 8. 12 for the 36 minus 8. 36 minus 8. Sorry, 12 for the 48. 48 minus 8. Then we get the value of the length of the one side rectangle is equal to 40. Means this is the length of the rectangle. Then we calculate the breadth. The breadth of rectangle is equal to x plus 4. Means we get x means 12. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. We get the value of the breadth is equal to 16. Here we calculate the value of x and y. Then we have to find out the area and perimeter. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiply width. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth. Length is equal to 40 and breadth is equal to 16. Then by multiplication we have to get answer 640 square unit. Then perimeter of rectangle is equal to two into bracket L plus B is equal to 2 into bracket L means 40 plus 60. 40 plus 60 we get 56. Then we get the answer 112 units. By using this method we have to calculate the answer, and in activity based examples asked in exam for the 4 marks. Then remaining examples you have to solve. If any problem then ask me on group. Thank you.